This is the elevator here at 4673 Ontario Avenue in downtown Niagara Falls. We have a vintage Otis elevator here. I'm not sure how old this elevator is, but I believe it's from the 1970s. This building is actually open today. Your basement. Have to be discreet up on 3 because this elevator opens right here, or it opens right into an office. All right. Here's our cab view. It's a pretty nice elevator. The cab has been replaced though, but I do have to admit that the new cab actually looks quite nice. It doesn't look bad at all. This is a beautiful elevator. I like that floor indicator. Watch the button go out. It's a bit too dark for one. We're at 1. Alright, we're gonna get off here. There it goes, and that's it.